vacation, 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 day off, day off, day off, flexible working, flexible working, flexible working, parental leave, parental leave, parental leave, overtime, 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 vacation. For example, I'm planning my vacation for the summer. Day off. For example, I need a day off to recharge. Flexible working. For example, our company offers flexible working hours. Parental leave. For example, he is taking parental leave to spend time with his newborn twins. Overtime. For example, they're working overtime to get the job done on time.